Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create repository in Bitbucket and push code. If you're working on a coding project and want to store your code safely online, using a version control platform is essential. Bitbucket is one of the most popular platforms for managing code repositories, collaborating with teams, and tracking changes using Git. First, open your browser and go to the Bitbucket website. Sign in to your account on Bitbucket. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the Bitbucket dashboard, where you can manage repositories, projects, and team collaborations. Next, click the Create Repository button in the middle of the page. This will open the repository creation page. Here, you'll need to configure several settings for your new repository. On the repository creation page, fill in the required details. These usually include project. You can assign the repository to an existing project or create a new one. Repository name, choose a clear name for your project. Visibility, you'll also choose whether the repository is private or public. Most developers keep repositories private until the project is ready to share. You can also include a README file if that's your liking, as well as choosing a branch name. In advanced settings, you can write a detailed description, choose a forking as well as a language. Once everything is configured, click Create Repository. Your new repository will now be ready. And that's how you create a repository in Bitbucket and push your code to it. By creating a repository, initializing Git locally, committing your files, and pushing them to Bitbucket, you can securely store and manage your projects online. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.